Hello everyone, myself Ami Mehta, and here we discuss decision making statements in C. So, these are the decision making statements. The first one is if statement, then if else statement, nested if statement, if else if ladder, and switch statement. So, first we discuss if statement. So now, where if statement can be used? If statement is used to control the flow of execution of statements. It is two-way decision making statements. It evaluates expression first, and based on its result, the control is transferred to the particular statement. Okay, what it first do? It first evaluates expression, and based on its result, okay, whether it is true or false, the control is transferred to particular statement. Now the general form, or we can say that the syntax of the if statement is first if, then in bracket its test expression, curly bracket, the statement block. If this condition, this test expression's result is true, then it goes to this statement block. If this result of this test expression is false, then it is go to this statement X. Okay, so if the condition is true, it goes to inner statement block, otherwise it directly go to statement X. So this is actually the flow chart of the if statement. So from here it is an entry point. Now after it entry point, it check condition, whether nothing but the test expression, whether it is condition is true or not. If this condition is true, what it will do? It true, then it go to statement block. If it is false, then it go to statement X. And finally, then after it goes to next statement. So this is the basic flow chart of if statement. Now we see how actually if statement is working in actual C program. So we already discussed the flow chart and how actually if else work. Now we see in actual our C program. So first is we include header file. The first task in every program is including header file because we use the function of it. Now if this function not return any value, then we simply write void main and start our program. So this is the example of whether the number is even or odd using simply if statement. So we take one variable which is number. So we declare its type integer, and now we take the value that enter the number. Okay, so it display on the screen that enter the number. Now we store this value on the number variable. So for that we have to write ampersand to store the value. Okay, and now actual if statement. So we simply take a condition that if number module 2 is equal to 0, okay, then printf that number is even. So simple if statement is over. Now we again took next if else if statement. If number module 2 not equal to 0, then printf number is odd. Okay, so simply if statement, condition and its statement. Okay, so this is end of the program. Now first we compile it and run it. Enter the number. So suppose I enter the value 5. So it display number is odd. Okay. Now again I compile and now I enter number 4. So it gives number is even. So this is the simply demonstration of simple if statement. Okay. Thank you.